Welcome, guys. We have another collection of amazing toy cars. This is a military truck. A military truck is a powerful, heavy-duty vehicle designed for transporting troops, equipment, and supplies in challenging terrains. It can carry large amounts of cargo, weapons, or personnel. We have one more military truck. Let's take them to the track. This is an ambulance. An ambulance is a specially equipped vehicle used for emergency medical transportation. It carries paramedics, medical equipment, and patients to and from hospitals, providing life-saving care on the way. We can see here is one stretcher, oxygen cylinder, glucose stand, and space for sitting. This is a school bus. A school bus is a specially designed vehicle used to transport students to and from school, field trips, or school-related events. These buses are equipped with safety features and distinct markings to ensure safe and reliable transportation for children. Let's take him to the track. This is a police jeep. A police jeep is a rugged off-road vehicle used by law enforcement for patrolling, chasing suspects, and navigating rough terrains. Police jeep equipped with 4x4 drive, large tires, and high ground clearance to handle rough and uneven surfaces. This is white color police car. A white police car is a common sight in many countries, symbolizing law enforcement and authority. White police cars are highly visible, practical, and efficient, making them ideal for both urban patrols and highway operations. This is a black police car. A black police car is a striking and powerful vehicle used by law enforcement agencies. The black color provides a low-profile, tactical look, making it less noticeable at night. This is a city clean truck with water flow. This is a specialized vehicle designed for washing and cleaning streets, sidewalks, and public spaces. It uses a high-pressure water system to remove dirt, dust, and debris, helping to maintain cleanliness. Let's take him to the track. This is the fire truck. A fire truck is a specialized vehicle used by fire departments to transport firefighters, rescue equipment, and water to the scene of a fire or emergency. It is equipped with ladders, hoses, water tanks, and firefighting tools. Extendable ladders help reach high floors and rescue trapped individuals. Let's take him to the track. This is blue color baby bus. A baby bus is a miniature or toy version of a school or public transport bus designed for kids' play or educational purposes. It is often colorful, interactive, and made of safe, child-friendly materials. Look at the wheels. We have red and yellow color FJ Cruiser. The Toyota FJ Cruiser is a rugged off-road SUV known for its retro design, powerful performance, and durability. This is front wheel, back wheels. Let's take them to the track. This is a tricycle. A kid's tricycle is a three-wheeled ride-on toy designed for young children, typically between 1 to 5 years old. The tri-wheel design offers better balance, making it safer for kids learning to ride. Equipped with easy-to-use pedals, allowing kids to propel themselves forward.